So let's start to look how we can use the Vlookup with if-then statement. So we have here a scenario where we have a fruit, and if a customer would have a quantity of 10 or more, we'll get a discount that should be shown in here. However, if the discount is, or if there is a lesser than 10 quantity, then we have no discount at all. So let's start to look how we do that with the Vlookup. So first of all, we're going to say Vlookup, and then afterwards we're going to use the if-then function. So we're going to say a Vlookup, and then in here we're going to select or click on this button so we get the visual formula builder. We have to select here the lookup value, that is the key, then the table array where the data will come from, that is in this case this table data, and then here the column number index. So this would depend. If we have a discount, basically we want this column. If there's no discount, we want this column here. So the index number for that is, this is column 1, column 2, and column 3. For now, I will hard code it on the discounted column of column number 3. For the range lookup, let's set this on false, because we want an exact match. Click on done, and then we get here the item. We can say here quantity of 10. Of course, if I say here only 1, the discount is still being shown because we did not soft code our column here. What we can do is hard code this number 3 to number 2 and confirm that, and then it will be 0%. Of course, this is not practical. The if-then function will help us with this case. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say equal sign if, and I'm going to open up here as well the visual formula builder. Once we have that, we can create here the logic. So the logical test would be if the quantity that the customer buys is smaller than the required quantity for the discount, which is in this case 10. So if there's below 10, I want to select column number 2, that is the non-discounted column. Else, I want to select column number 3, which is the discounted column. Let's confirm this and close that. There we are. So right now, if I change this to 11, enter, you can see here this changes to column number 3. So the if-then function or statement is working properly. What I want to do now is copy this entire function, the if-then function, and go into here, click here again on the formula builder, and change this. We need to soft code this specific value. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste that in there, remove the equal sign because the equal sign is forbidden in a formula builder or else it won't work. Click here on done to confirm this, and you can see here now it should work. Let's put here 1 and it jumps. If I say 11, it works, and if I change this to melon, we get a 10% discount, which is exactly the correct value.